Hey guys, this is Dimple and today I'm going to show you how to use one product and create different kind of eye looks. Here I'm going to use this Elle Eye Drama in the shade Bold Black. So without any further ado, let's get to it. This Kajal pencil comes in a convenient twist-up format that is easy to use, and you won't need to sharpen it each time. As you can see, it has an intense color payoff with a matte finish and can be used on your waterline and eyelids. It has a waterproof and smudge-proof formula that lasts up to 12 hours. It is also dermatologically tested and is safe to use. For a simple eyeliner look, begin with gliding the pencil on your lower waterline to make it more prominent. Then proceed to your upper lash line. Start from the outer corner and work your way through the inner corner. The line can be thick or thin, depending on which you prefer. Finally, top it up with some mascara and your everyday liner look is done. Now for a bold look, line the liner like you usually would and then gently smudge it with a brush for a smoky eye. You can go on and create different kind of looks and experiment more with Elle Kajal pencil.